Get him one of them dances he like.
Okay. Oh.
What it do, word gang? How y'all doing today, man? Hope y'all blessed. Hope y'all receiving this video blessed. So, today I got a little delivery from, what is it? H&K. Oh, goddamn, I don't know.
Look it up.
The name probably on here, though.
Wow.
Come on now. What do you mean, wow? They are called
KNG wraps.
KNG wraps. It's a company called KNG wraps. They make body size skirts and stuff. They even, I think they do wide body kits. They do wraps. They do splitters, wicker bills. You name it, they do it, most likely. So I ended up purchasing a couple things, and just got it in the mail today. I've been waiting, but it took about a month to get this stuff. Maybe longer than that.
Yeah.
About a month. It took about a month to get this stuff, you know. If y'all kind of check out my drip, Versace, Louis Vuitton, Gucci.
Okay.
Come on, man. Come on now.
Walmart special.
Bust these bad boys. Bust this open real quick. We can make this video short, but you know I gotta keep the word gang in tune to what I do. And all this stuff is for Prometheus right there. Got big things coming for the Jeep too. We gotta decide what we're gonna do. It's gonna be a big season for your boy Tlites. Ooh, I see what's in here. Oh God. Should I open it like this? Let's see if I can just pull it out. Hell to the no.
To the no.
They tape it so crazy. I don't want to. Tape it so crazy. Look at me. I can't even open it.
Yeah, don't cut it now.
Garbage. I'm gonna cut the side skirts. I think this box is the side skirts. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure it is, baby. As I always say, the knife came from probably Five Below, Sears, who knows?
Ross.
There's always somebody want to know where you get the knife from. I don't know, maniac. There we go. I'm trying not to bend my knives, but it is what it is. That's some side skirts right there, baby. That's some side skirts right there, baby.
At least they packaged it good. They packaged it good.
Excellent.
You know they weren't rubbing.
Oh, let's go. Damn, these are the little brackets. These gonna be the little brackets you gotta put on the car. Damn, it's 100 motherfucking brackets. Lord Jesus, I didn't know it was gonna be all that. Come on, KNG wraps. You couldn't have put the things on there for me? It is what it is. These are the shirts. Grab that blade. Make sure.
It's still taped down there. Here.
You don't want to?
Well, I could just cut it right here.
Womp womp.
Well, that's my weekend, first of all.
Is they gloss?
I think it's that plastic saran wrap, maybe, or no, maybe it is gloss.
That's even better. That's gonna go with the. That's gonna go with the color. We're gonna go right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be to the point. Is this the front or the back? I don't know which way the front is or the back, but I know it's gonna.
Well, it has those little notches in it, so.
I'm pretty sure that this is the back. Yeah.
Yeah, it is, cause there's a notch right here, so I think it's the other way. Just flip it, yeah, like that. Yep.
Don't go like that.
Maybe. We're gonna find out.
Don't look good too, I can tell. Ooh, that's gonna be fire!
It looks a little different than I thought it was.
What you thought it was gonna look like?
Like thick.
What do you mean?
Like thicker?
Nah. How thick you want them to be?
I just thought they was gonna be thicker. That's all. Because this is 2.
Yeah.
Your other ones were like this thick, and they were 1.
Yeah, but they was big and they wasn't as wide.
And they weren't custom.
Yeah. So that's gonna be the side skirts. Put those back in there. Now what's inside this one should be a front splitter. What else?
The
Tape that.
those bars.
Those bars. And those back splashes on the back of this. Man, he kicked the shit out of this motherfucker. He don't even know where to start it. That. It's time to start modding Prometheus, y'all. We've been regular long enough. We've been regular long enough, right, Christine?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to do what your boy Tlites do best. Yeah. King Raps. At least you did rap and stuff good, boy. I said King Raps. Is it King Raps?
I don't know.
I think it
K.
stands for King Raps. It does stand for King Raps.
Yeah, but
It's KNG.
it says KNG. Yeah.
I think they located in California too, to be exact. Oh, okay. There go to what's the I think those are little rods.
Yeah. Told you it's probably a little box within a box. Yeah.
But we missing those little.
Unless they're in there.
All the money I paid, they better be in there. And the KNG Raps, they definitely make sure you are the person that you say you are.
Oh yeah.
I had to go to top-notch security just to get my. They take your money though before they send you through top-notch security.
Yeah, take your money first, and
They
then
gonna take your money, but once before they send it out, they gonna make sure you got the right address and make sure you really live
you are
there.
who you are. Yeah.
If you don't live there, yep, those are little rods right there.
Why is that your little decal?
Put this on there. Let them see me. I won't put this on there unless you sponsor me. I ain't gonna lie to you. That won't be on my car unless you sponsor me. I ain't gonna give you no free I'm giving you a free advertisement with this video. But yeah, these are the rods that go right here. They're gonna connect to this splitter when I pull it out, let y'all see it.
So you chose black. There were other options.
Chrome.
Chrome.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're like chrome, but I ain't want that. I thought these was gonna be.
They were gonna be thicker, like.
Well, they iodinize these, whatever you call it. These are chrome.
I thought they were gonna be different though.
What, like
I
what?
thought they were gonna be like thicker, bigger ones, like, you know.
How big you thought they was gonna be? Rods ain't that big.
I don't know. It's your world. I just live in it.
Well, they got this bad boy wrapped up like a Christmas gift. Remember, you used to sneak and look at the Christmas gift? Yeah, there they go.
Told you.
Everything's in here.
I should have bet you.
Huh?
I should have bet you something.
Bet you what?
Because I said they're probably in there.
Ooh. But the FedEx guy was acting real.
Yeah, he spit them up on the house like free advertisement. Hello, look at me.
Come on,
Look at all these packages. Yeah. Ooh, dang, that's gonna sit out good, like a good amount. So you're gonna take that one off, or does it add on?
This is the add-on.
It goes under it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. That's gonna look good.
That's gonna look goody, ain't it?
Good, yeah.
Ooh wee!
Yeah, that's gonna look good. I can't wait to rock chip that thing up.
I can't wait to the. Look at all these screws that come with this shit.
Boo, remember I bumped your last one?
Yeah, you ripped it. You broke it.
It was an accident.
I don't know what. I think these go to these. I think I'm pretty sure you gotta make your own holes in these. These go back here. I think this is the wrong side.
Yeah, it's the wrong side.
So
Just flip it. Yeah, like that.
like that.
Yup.
That's gonna be fire.
That's gonna
right
look
there.
good.
That's gonna be fire. I think it's clip in here. That's gonna be real fire right there.
Just asking to be road curb rashed.
Man. And when how these work out, that's gonna make a decision on if I'm gonna wide body this bad boy or not. Cause you know, people like, man, they think that I can't even. Some people think I can't afford a wide body, which is crazy.
Oh, to buy a car that's already wide bodied?
Yeah, which is crazy. I don't understand why they would think that. But listen, I can build me a wide body. It's more content for me. So that's.
Yeah, you can make it your own.
Yeah, it's not that hard to make a wide body, believe me. But yeah, these gonna. I forgot what these things is called, man. Backsplashes is what I think they call. These gonna go on the back like I just showed y'all. Keep it wrapped up. Really don't put this bad boy out here.
I think that was common sense.
Yeah, you know, some people ain't got common sense. I ain't saying y'all ain't got, but I'm just saying some people don't got common sense.
That thing gonna look good, though. It goes back up to the hole, and the rest sticks out.
Like that.
That thing gonna look crazy.
Oh! Okay.
Woo, that's gonna look good.
My finger's about to break off.
That's gonna look good.
I might end up doing this weekend. It's gonna be about 2-3 hours worth of work, maybe longer than that. It's gonna be a long day because I need to figure out where the boats go. I got the slightest screw.
We did your last car on our own.
Yeah, we did all the last car on our own.
Carnage.
Mhm.
Did you tell them that somebody sent you a video of Carnage, like local?
Oh yeah, y'all. My buddy Junior know who he is. He got a Hellcat Challenger. He had a 392 the blue
one.
The blue 392. I did a video on. He sent me a video. Somebody riding around in Carnage.
Driving it.
He was looking good.
I can't wait to see it.
I want to see him because
Me
he
too.
stay in the area. The guy that bought it still stay in the same area that I stay in. So you know, I definitely want to check Carnage out.
Which is not the area we sold it to, though.
No,
that's
we
crazy.
I sold it for like it's from 100-something miles away from here.
Yeah.
About 100 miles
Like
away.
an hour and something away from here.
Yeah. So.
And he's seen it like 15 minutes from here. That's crazy.
Yeah. And but that's at LaPorte, Chrysler, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram. Yeah. Those are my buddies right there. Big shout out to Matt. You know what I'm saying? He gave me he gave me a God deal on this Hellcat. I'm trying to tell y'all, he could have charged me way more money than he charged me for this Hellcat, but he did not. He gave me a God deal. You know who he is. This is he's on YouTube. I'm gonna put his link in my description so y'all know exactly who he is. Y'all know who he is. He's the guy that's always selling cars to CJM32s.
Yeah.
He's the one that sold CJM32s, the McLaren,
The Jeep.
the Demon Jeep, and
The Red
Eye.
Eye. Yeah.
He sold them all those. You know who Matt is. You know exactly who he is. But yeah, he sold me this Hellcat, and
That's cool.
Matt's super cool. That's a cool dude. He didn't even know me and was letting me. The first time he ever met me, he let me do car reviews there, which is unheard of. So, but yeah, so we got big mods coming for Prometheus. That's the front splitter.
This gonna look crazy.
We got side skirts. We got back splashes. And what else we got? We got the rods that go to that. It's gonna hook to that. It's gonna hook to the bumper or front, whatever you want to call it. Really. And we're gonna see if it's gonna wide. And after that, we're gonna do some other things to make it pop a little more.
You're doing something else this weekend too. I'm not gonna tell him. To your car?
What? I don't even know what it is.
You told me about it.
Yeah, I don't know. I forgot what it is, but we're gonna do some other things to it. Oh yeah, I know what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some other things.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some other things, you know. This ain't like no super crazy video. It's an unboxing video. Because this is for my true werewolf gang that they just watch my videos and see what you got. And I know you like, you ain't that fresh today, T-Light. I just got off work. I ain't rich. But it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Get him one of them dances, T-Light.
Okay. Okay. Don't kill him. Oh, okay. Back to the real star.
But yeah, so we got big old plans for Prometheus. I'm super happy. I'm excited. I've been waiting. How long I've been waiting for this?
Almost a month. A month? Yeah.
Maybe longer than that.
I think the front splitter's gonna look. It's gonna look like you lowered it. Like it's gonna look crazy.
It already sit kind of low, but it's got a little space, but not too much. You know what I'm saying?
No, it's gonna make it look closer to the ground. It's gonna look good.
It's 305s back here. I'm thinking about putting 315s on the back of this bad boy. But that's when I burn these up. And I ain't even I did a few burnouts in here, not nothing crazy.
Yeah, Kiara put some work on them things.
My niece put some work on them, but we definitely gonna have this bad boy looking good. I'm telling you, next time y'all see Carnage, big shout out to Carnage, the 392 Daytona that I used to have. Next time y'all see Prometheus, he will look totally, well, not totally different, but he will definitely look a little meatier. Facelift. You know what I'm saying? Go to the gym, get some more cuts.
He's gonna have some wings.
And from there, y'all gonna let me know in this that video. Tell me if you want me to go wide too, because we can do that.
Cool.
We can do that. If you want me to go wide, but I'm just building this Hellcat for the regular guy that may not be able to afford to get a wide body. He can just afford to get him a Hellcat, and we can go from there. I'm gonna show y'all, baby. You can make your car your own car, because that's what I do. That right there, that thing right there, we call that a Colossal. That's that big boy Jeep. You know, it's on 26s. On 26s. Oh my God, you on 26s. I don't play. Believe me, your boy Tlites, I'm a real car guy. Real deal. But, that's a Colossal. We got the Super right there and Maglini back there chilling. So, with that being said, man, I'm glad y'all joined me today for this lovely video. Man, the sun is beaming demon in my eyes, man. But I'm glad y'all joined me today for this video. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified for all my videos. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out to y'all. And stay positive. Stay away from suckers. Believe in yourselves. What you see up there?
Nothing.
Put it up there. Show them what you was looking at, because I want to know.
I wasn't looking at anything.
Oh, okay. That brush right there look like it's about to fall off, man.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.